Everyone, so I hope y'all enjoyed that real quick unboxing and real quick packaging showcase for the Treblab X3 Pro truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give y'all my overall first impressions and let y'all know what I think of them. Alright, now if y'all want a full in-depth walkthrough and in-depth review, that will be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that. And also, I do want to let everyone know, in the interest of full disclosure, this is another Amazon Vine product. So this came in thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So what does that mean? All I have to do is type up a full written review and publish it to Amazon, and these are mine to keep. Alright, so that written review will be up long before this video review or unboxing or first impressions or any other coverage goes up. Alright, so I just wanted to let everyone know that in the interest of full disclosure. Also, I want to let everyone know that this whole video here today is being recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. This is being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS, and we are using external audio in this video here today, along with external lighting. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as the overall lighting and audio quality down below. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. And as always, if you find this video helpful and or you enjoy it, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Y'all might not be able to see the thumbs up and thumbs down on your end, but I definitely see all of that, and I'm tracking all of those metrics on the back end. Alright, so a thumbs up will be greatly appreciated if you find this video enjoyable and or helpful. Alright? That being said, if this video does pique your interest, all the links to where y'all can pick up this bad boy at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright, housekeeping done. Now let's get into these first impressions. Now, I will have to say this, in terms of how I feel about these earbuds, in terms of the first impressions, I really enjoy these, okay? And now, this is not my first Treblabs product. I've actually reviewed other Treblab products in the past, and this is my favorite style of earbud, as you can see. So these hook behind your ears, and then these in particular, I believe they angle up like this. Alright, so I like those ear hook style earbuds. I feel like it adds a much more comfortable and secure fit. And the thing that I enjoy the most about these is that they have clicky tactile buttons on them. So you got a clicky multifunction button right here, which is branded. So you got the company logo right there. And then you got your volume up and down tactile clicky buttons. Now my mic is facing my mouth, so y'all might not be able to hear it as well, but take my word for it, these buttons are nice and clicky and nice and tactile. So first impressions of the overall look of the earbuds, I have to say I really like it. I'm kind of biased because I really enjoy this style of earbuds, but we're gonna put it through the review nevertheless. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all that. Now also I have to say, in terms of as cases go, this case is a beast. I mean, the only other case that I've seen this size is probably, yeah, my other sports style earbuds that I've reviewed that's similar to this. I'll link it up down below in the video description. These case sizes are almost the same. I feel as though that one's a little bit bigger, okay? But this is a pretty big case. But it's also touting really good battery life. So I hope it does deliver. Also, I hope y'all found that key specifications and key information at the beginning of the video helpful. Alright, we're going to verify all of that stuff when we get into the full review. Alright, so in terms of the unboxing and first impressions, I have to say I really do enjoy these, and I feel as though Treblabs has done a great job. Or Treblab has done a great job. Alright, so now let's try them on, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Alright, so it hooks behind the ears, hook over, hook on, and then you angle it up. Okay, so you kind of want to wear it like this on your ear. Okay, so it's going to conform to your ear kind of like that. Alright, if the pictures that I've looked at for the marketing and presentation is correct, that's kind of like how you want to wear it. So dropping in the left now, doing the same thing, hooking it behind my ears, angling it up. Alright, left is giving me a little bit of trouble to go in. The right kind of went in no problems as soon as I hooked it behind my ear. Left is struggling a little bit. Okay. Alright, so a little bit of a struggle to put in, but they're on. Now in terms of the sound isolation, I can still hear myself talk very nicely. But I feel as though if I start playing music, it's definitely going to drown out the sound. Now in terms of the fit on these doesn't feel as secure, but let me do a quick shake test. Oh yeah, they're definitely not moving around. And I do think that's thanks in large part to the size of the earbud tips as well as the earbud wings. But these are definitely not moving around. Let me do another shake test real quick. Oh yeah, most definitely not. Now, let me take a few photos so y'all can see how they look on my head and in my ear. And please don't laugh at me. I hope I put them on correctly. If I didn't and you have tips on it, and you have tips as to how to wear them correctly, please leave that feedback down below. But I think I did it right. We're going to find out based on how y'all comment. But let's take these profile shots and see how they look. So Pixel 2 XL on deck here today. Use that front-facing 8 megapixel sensor. So front profile. Wow. That is actually very, very discreet. You actually have to pay very close attention to see that it's in my ear from the front. Yeah, and then now let's do a side profile. Okay, let me see how that looks. Okay, yeah, I think I put it on correctly. Yeah, very discreet. So let me show y'all. Front profile right here. Alright. Side profile right there. And I think that's how you put them on. You angle them up like that. Alright. Matter of fact, let me take a look at the product photos and just verify real quick. So yeah, they're actually wearing it the same way. So you angle it up just like that. So that's what it should look like on you females. Alright, and for us males, should look like that. If I put that on there correctly, let me just double check. Yeah, mine's look similar. His actually looks more flush than mine's, but that's as flush as I can get it. Maybe I gotta play around with it some more. But it's basically in the proper orientation, so I think I did it right. But first impressions of the overall fit and feel, these actually fit very, very nicely, very securely. And in terms of the feel, once that they're on, now that I've had them on for a few minutes and it's kind of settled in, I kind of forget that I'm wearing them. And the fact that, you know, the isolation on them is not as good until I start playing the music, you know, I can almost put these on and forget I have them on. So it's really, really good in terms of the overall fit and feel. All right, everybody. So that pretty much does it for this unboxing and full review of the Treblab X3 Pro truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. As I said before, my full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all be on the lookout for that, as well as my fit and sound demo. And remember, everything will culminate in the full review, so we'll go over everything y'all need to know, and I will give y'all my opinions as to whether or not these are worth picking up. Alright, hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.